Hello everyone, I am Professor Praveen Sarvale, Department of Agronomy, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Shardanagar, Baramati. Today, today we are going to discuss regarding the farming system. In some last lecture and last videos, already we discussed regarding the organic farming. Now ahead we are going to discuss regarding the farming system. In this lecture, we will see the definition of farming system, then scope, importance and the concept of farming system. The different definition of farming system given by the different scientists. Okay, in that, see, the first one is a farming system means what? The farming system represent an appropriate combination of farm enterprises, that mean cropping system, horticulture, livestock, fishery, forestry, poultry, and the means available to the farmer to raise them for profitability. It interact, advocate with environment without dislocating the ecological and socio-economic balance on one hand and attempt to meet the national goals on the other. Okay, that mean farming system. Okay, in simple words, a farming system, that mean uh, cropping system is major enterprises, and along with cropping system you can rear the different systems in that livestock, fishery, piggery, then sericulture, forestry, whatever the related agricultures, those all enterprises are included along with the cropping system is known as a farming system. Okay, another one definition is given here. The farming system is a decision making unit comprising the farm, household, cropping and livestock system that transform land, capital and labor into useful product that can be consumed or sold. Okay, first of all, the major aim and major purpose of farming system is to get the maximum profit from the minimum area, also without degrading the land. Okay, this is the major objective of farming system. Then the scope of farming systems is given in short. In that, farming enterprises include, okay, which are the farming enterprises? Along with the cropping system, different allied enterprises of agriculture, for example, livestock, then poultry, fishery, sericulture, okay, forestry, piggery, whatever, etc. The combination of one or more enterprises with a cropping, when carefully chosen and planned and executed, given greater dividend than a single enterprises. Especially for small and marginal farmers, farm as a unit is to be the considered and planned for effective integration of the enterprises to be combined with the production activity. That means the growing of crop along with the different enterprises, like you can rear the buffalo, you can rear the goat rearing, then sheep rearing, piggery, rabbit rearing. Okay, these are the extra income for to the farmers. Okay, the major objective and major purpose of farming system is to those are the marginal farmers. That means the farmers which have the low lands. Uh, then these farmers can get the maximum return from minimum lands. Along with cropping system, they can get the profit from the other enterprises. Then the what is the actual concept of farming system? In farming system, the farms is viewed in a holistic manner. Farming enterprises include the crop, dairying, poultry, fishery, sericulture, piggery, apiary, tree crop, etc. A combination of one or more enterprises with cropping, when carefully chosen, planned, and executed, given a greater dividend than a single enterprise, especially for the small and marginal farmer. Farm as a unit is to be considered and planned for effective integration of the enterprises to be combined with the crop production activity, such that the end products and the waste of one enterprises are utilized effectively as input in other enterprises. Sustainability is the objective of the farming system. That means those are the cropping system in your farm. Those are the different intra or all are enterprises, livestock, fish rearing, then sheep rearing, goat rearing. These are the totally sustainable. These are the major objective of farming system where the production process is optimized through the efficient utilization of input without impairing on the quality of environment with which it interact on one hand and attempt to the meet the national goals on other. The concept has an undefined time dimension. The magnitude of time dimension depends upon one objective being a shorter for economic gain and longer for concern pertaining to the environment, soil productivity, and land degradation. Okay, this is the major concept of farming system, okay, to get the maximum profit from minimum area. A farm is a system in that input, processes, and output. These are the three major concepts. Okay? Input, processes, and output. First one is the input. These are the things that go into the farm and may be split into physical input. For example, amount of rainfall, soil. Then human input, labor, money, fertilizer, then seeds, whatever. These are the inputs and processes. These are the things which takes place on the farm in order to convert the input to output. That means sowing, weeding, harvesting, other agricultural operation. These are the process you can do with the help of inputs. Third one is output. These are the products obtained from the farm. Okay, that means actually you get the profit. It is economical or it is a biological profit. What are the principles of farming system? First one is a minimization of risk. If you take only crop, then it is a risk to the farmers. Sometimes it is lost due to the scarcity of water, due to the flood, okay, due to the pest and due to the diseases. But you have to take them different allied enterprises along with the crop. Then it reduces the risk. Then recycling of waste and residues, integration of two or more enterprises, optimum utilization of all resources, maximum productivity and profitability, ecological balance, generation of employment potential, and increase the input use efficiency. That means it can use the on-farm availability inputs. For example, the dung, urine obtained from the livestock, you can add this into the crop. Okay, because it is a on-farm availability. Increase the input use efficiency. This is the principle of farming system. Okay, this is all about the farming system, definition, scope, concept, and principle. Okay, remaining part we will see in our next video. If you have any problem, then contact me. Thank you so much, student.